Former Foreign Minister of China, Qin Gang, who went missing in June this year, sparking speculations, reportedly died due to suicide or torture. Qin Gang was expelled from his position in July this year. According to an earlier report, Qin was involved in an extramarital affair while he was ambassador to the United States. Two people who had access to top Chinese officials claimed that Qin died in late July at a military hospital in Beijing, as per reports. The hospital where he passed away reportedly treats top leaders of the country. The report also stated that senior Chinese officials were told that an investigation by an internal Communist Party found that Qin was engaged in the affair throughout his tenure as China's ambassador to the United States. An investigation was conducted focused on whether the affair or Qin's conduct had compromised China's national security. The former foreign minister was reported to have cooperated with the investigation. As per reports, the propaganda system in China suggested that Qin's affair with a reporter named Fu Xiaotian and their illegitimate American child was the reasons for his removal from the position. After Qin's removal in July, he was replaced by veteran diplomat Wang Yi as the foreign minister. Similar to Russia's Vladimir Putin's fears of being betrayed by someone from within his inner circle, Chinese Premier Xi Jinping seems to be taking action for his own apprehensions, the report claims. The two most high-profile examples of the same include removal of China's foreign and defense ministers Qin Gang and Li Shangfu.